How to transfer money from Coinmarketcap to Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can transfer money from Coinmarketcap to Cash App. Well, let's get straight into the video. As you can see, I'm on the official page here of Coinmarketcap, be it that you are on Coinmarketcap or the web browser. You have to understand that Coinmarketcap serves as a cryptocurrency data aggregator, providing information on prices, market capitalizations, and trading volumes. It does not function as a cryptocurrency exchange, nor does it hold or manage user funds. Therefore, direct transfers from CoinMarketCap to Cash App is not possible at all. To transfer cryptocurrency to Cash App, you can use a platform that supports both the storage and transfer of digital assets. First, select an exchange. Choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange where you hold your digital assets such as Trust Wallet, Binance, and such. Then you can, within the exchange, navigate to the withdrawal or send option and enter Cash App details and confirm the transaction and go ahead. So you can basically use other exchanges to transfer money to Cash App, but you can't use CoinMarketCap at all to perform any transactions. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.